Joey from Imzz Elite. We're back in the shop. We're going to do another FXRT fairing mount, this time on an 06 to 17 Dyna. You'll notice we got the stock headlight already removed. If you do not know how to do that, I will find another, I will link another video in the description for you. After you take a 1/2 inch socket and wrench, and you break that top tank bolt loose, you're going to want to remove that stock tank bolt and just set it aside. Starting from the beginning, you're going to want to take your mount and go ahead and separate your side plates from the mount itself. You'll notice that it comes with 3 bolts. One of those is going to be a replacement tank bolt. You're going to take your side plates and sandwich the frame with them, and then go ahead and slide that replacement tank bolt all the way through with a washer and nut. Now that you've got a tank bolt back in with your sandwich plates both on either side of the frame, you're going to take your mount, you're going to line it up with the bullet holes in the mounting plates. Go ahead and slide those 2 3/8 bolts in there. Once you get the bolts in, throw your nuts and washers on, torque everything down. Now you're set up and ready to rock and roll, throw the fairing on.